Hey guys, Melissa here. In this video, I'm going to show you how I made this rectangle and square bead necklace. It's kind of an illusion necklace where all the beads are in front and I have nothing in the back. Makes the necklace lighter and also uses less beads. You save some money there. So if you want to see how I made this, just stay tuned and I'll show you how. Alright, so let's get started. I already have my design laid out. This is a really simple, quick and easy design here. So I laid it out ahead of time. I have a variety of rectangle beads in Pietersite and Snowflake Obsidian. And I also have square beads as well. This necklace will go nicely with the tutorial I made a few weeks ago. I made this one in particular. But there's also this one, which incorporates the Snowflake Obsidian. So you can mix and match, and that's what I did here. These are 13 by 4 rectangles and 4 by 4 cube beads as well. I also got some accent beads here. I'm sure I just got these from Michael's. These are just base metal accent barrel beads. So I have one in the center, rectangle beads on each side, and I also have these like rounded off square silver plated beads as well. The gemstone beads and the silver plated square beads I got from Firemountain gems. My beading wire I'm using today is a 49 strand beading wire, which is what I like to use. I also grabbed a lobster clasp and a split ring to finish it off. These I got from Hobby Lobby. You can use whatever you like. You can use extender chain if you'd like. It's all up to you. I also grabbed 4 crimp beads. So to save on beads, I'm only gonna bead half the necklace and the other half is going to be bare. So sometimes I only bead half the necklace to save on beads if I don't have enough and it's not so heavy. Alright, so let's get started. You're going to need a pair of crimping pliers, and I cut myself about 18 inches of my beading wire. Let's see, I'm going to grab a crimp bead. I'm going to incorporate my split ring. All the tail is going to be cut off because we don't want any beading wire poking out. So I'm going to snug that up. I'll get it pretty close to my split ring here. I'm going to hold it there and take my crimping pliers and put it in the inner hole. And crimp that down. Come back again and crimp this up. Well, that was a crappy crimp. Get that close to your split ring. Go to your inner. Go to the inner part of your crimp and give it a smush. Come back and smush it again. And this tail you're going to need to cut off nice and close because you don't want anything poking out to irritate anybody's neck. Alright, first you'll feed on a crimp bead. Then you'll feed from one end to the other. Go ahead and feed on all your beads. And then feed on another crimp bead. Next I'm going to finish my other end here with my lobster clasp. Same way I did with the other side. Wow. Cut off your excess really close. That feels okay. Okay, now you're going to clasp it and level out your necklace. Make sure they're equal here. That looks pretty good. So I'm going to go ahead and lock them in. Turns out the hole on my last bead here is wider than my crimp bead. So I'm gonna snug my gemstone up to that crimp bead I just smooshed. Bring my bead through. Now whatever beads you pick might not do this, but this is what I have to do with mine. I'm gonna snug all my beads up to the crimp bead and then tighten this last crimp bead up. Okay, and this bead should slide right over it and hide it. Alright, so there we have it. Kind of like an illusion necklace here. Alright guys, so that's all I have for you today. I think I'm gonna leave those little blunders in the video. It wasn't as simple as I thought it would be. I've never had crimps give me so much trouble, but you know, whatever. It is what it is. I left it in. Hopefully you get a little laugh out of it. Hopefully I inspired you to make a necklace of your own. So if I do inspire you and you end up making one of your own, let me know in the comments or tag me on social media. All my links are down in the description as well. I'll just say this, trust the journey, just go create something. Create something every day. Have a great week and I'll see you in the next one.